I'll be doing first is to create a grid to come up with sort of an organization of the circles. And to come up with a grid, I go to vector, and underneath vector, I'll grab grid component. And if we zoom into the inputs of this grid component, we have, but obviously we can select rectangular, square, triangle, radial, hexagonal, so on and so forth, but I'll just stick with the one that creates squares. So it's asking me a plane, just in case I create a plane on XY plane, okay? And then I can preview this one. The size is the size of the grid cell, size of each edge of grid in squares. So if we put 150 as a start, I think we can start seeing some things. Yeah, we see some things as with 150. So if I increase